Okay, so we're here now, and I just want to say, I've already found some. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Splice here. We're here since I only had one subscriber at the time of the car crash video. I figured I should make a part 2 to it and actually explore some more. So yeah, we're here back at the site. I already found some glass. Oh, almost dropped my phone. Yeah, because that video didn't get a lot of views, and I feel like it could have got more. So now that I have 5 subscribers and I'm in a sub battle with Riley Stone, I figured you guys should see what I found, what I had to go through. I found a transmission just now. Well, the under part of it. I don't know if you guys saw it. I'm kind of recording in the wrong way. If you guys can tell me what this is, that would be great. Here, I'll get a close-up of it. If you can tell me what this is and what kind of car it goes to, that would be great. And I found the underbody of a car over here next to this little shed. Question, why does this lead to nothing at all? That's my question. Like, whoever built that shed and tried to live in it is an idiot. Yeah, it's winter and I hate the woods right now because it's so silent and that's kind of scary. But yeah, we're here in the woods. I can't wait to see what the clickbait thumbnail's gonna look like. Yeah, it's cold out here. Is that the engine? No, I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright guys, I am here in the woods. And look what I've already found. Mazda tire in one body. Where'd the other one go? There used to be a car body right here. I'm looking around for it. I don't see it. Maybe somebody took it. Maybe the tow truck finally came. Maybe somebody scrapped it for something. Maybe the owner came pick it up, try to fix it. So this is all there's really left. Go check out part 1, 2, since you'd probably just click on my channel and find it. I'm not gonna put the link in the description. But yeah, here's the car, here's some tires. Tire. And here's the body. I want to see if I can open that. Probably not. Fuel tank's gone, wherever that thing is. I'm thinking though, if they took that piece of the body, they probably took all the valuable pieces. No, someone's probably coming home. I know them. Yeah. Anyways, the front's over there, but you can check out. What the? You can check out more of what happened. Anyways, guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.